Hi viewers, my name is Imran Ashraf and I am here for Azure Fundamentals. Uh, in our last two videos, we have covered the basic cloud concepts for Azure Fundamentals course, and we covered the various models of the cloud, types of the cloud. Now we will start to Azure, and for this we have to sign up for Azure. And in this module, we will learn about the sign up options, including the Azure free account. Create an Azure free account, understand how billing works in Azure, and learn about the different support options Azure is offering. So, what is the free Azure account? Basically, Microsoft Azure is offering you the free account for Azure services. You can create if you have phone number, credit card, which will be charged of course when you use, otherwise it will be free, and Microsoft account, or you can also use GitHub account. So free account includes the free access for popular Azure services for 12 months and $200 credit for which you can access the different services. Mind it, the $200 credit is only for 1 month, while the free services are for 12 months, and more than 25 other services are offering for always free. The next thing we will see, the how can you create a free account. So let me open my browser. This is the link, azure.microsoft.com/free. From here you can click on start free option. Here you can have option start free, and you can create account if you have a credit card, your mobile number or phone number, Microsoft account, and or a GitHub account. From here you can see you can create basically this prompt I am receiving. The Azure free account is only available to the new customers. I already have signed in and created account, so it's showing me the option, this message you can see. So after creating the accounts, you can have the dashboard like this. You can see already created resources, and above here you can see the different icons: virtual machine, storage account, subscription. You can see here, and if you click here you can also have more services you can see. So this is the dashboard. This is a portal basically, and this its addresses. When you create, once you create the your free account, you can go portal.azure.com, and you have to log in via your Microsoft account, and you will have these services available. So you can see the next thing is your purchasing options. You can purchase, you can create a free account and then upgrade to your paid account. You can purchase from online representative. You can purchase from clouds, your region's cloud service provider, CSP. You have three options basically. it's good. I think you can create a free account. You can go through from the portal, and further after that you can upgrade your free account to pay as you go subscription. So viewers, let me introduce some things. Understand the your billing, your subscription, create additional. Yes, you can create additional subscriptions. Here you can see the subscriptions. Basically, subscription is a logical container which has the resources and detail of all the resources like VMs and databases and many more. So you can create. You can see this is the free trial subscription, account admin, and current cost, and its status is active. You can create one more subscription, not one more, but according to your you can customize your requirements, and you can create more subscriptions. Here you can see. So if you see this, basically subscription, I told you, logical container, and when you create the resources, you have to create within the subscription, that particular subscription. So you can see the next thing we will. The next things we have to look into the Azure support options. Yes, when you create your subscription and upgrade to the paid subscription, you can have support from Microsoft, and there are many plans. Like if you see your free support resources, your support plans, and your community support. If you see your free support resources, you can avail the free billing and subscription management support. You can avail the quick start center, guided experience in the Azure portal. You can see you can avail the Azure service health. You can avail the advisor, Azure advisor. These are all the free part of the free support resources. However, you have your support plans like developers plan. Developer plan have 1 business day response. Standard plan 1 hour response, and the professional direct plan is 1 hour response with a priority of tracking critical access. So these are the your support plans you can purchase. And if you can take help from your community support, you can do, like your knowledge center, Microsoft text community, Stack Overflow, server fault, your feedback forums and Twitters. Let me show you these all the options from the portal. You can see advisor. I told you the advisor. You can see the advisor here. I told the you can see support. Let me show you. If you go to the home, and you can see help and support from here as well from here. So here these are the your community support, MSDN forum, Stack Overflow, your support, server fault. These are the community support. While if you want to see the plans, this is the service health, this is the advisor. These both I told you. And if you want to see the support plans I mentioned, you can see this is the basic and this is free, developer, standard and professional. Developer's cost is $29 per month, you can see, and professional standard is $100 per month, professional is $1,000 per month. these all support plans are available, you can avail. And viewers, this was all about the Azure, creating your account, and a little bit about the dashboard. So here you can add the subscription, it has been opened, pay as you go, developer support, whatever you want to have, and this is the option. So viewers, we will have next video regarding the next module soon.